Who is a guardian and what rights do they have? Well, generally it's the parents, the mother and the father. The father can be a bit trickier because to be automatically considered to be a guardian, the father has to have been living with the mother, the birth mother, any time between conception and birth. Other than that, there's a few other exceptions, such as their names on the birth certificate. You can apply to the court to be appointed as a guardian. And sometimes people other than the mother and father can be appointed. They're not naturally automatically granted guardianship as mothers and fathers are. But for example, a grandmother that comes and rescues children from a situation where both parents are on drugs, they can apply to the court to be appointed as a guardian. Now, the reason why they won't want to do that is because somebody has to authorise the child's, for example, they have to go to hospital and they need an operation or a blood transfusion. Those are guardianship matters, and their authorisation has to be obtained before those sorts of procedures can occur. So guardianship rights also carry obligations. You have an obligation to the other parent to discuss with them, consult with them, and try and come to an agreement regarding other guardianship matters such as school, what school they'll attend, religious issues, travel overseas, but also within New Zealand. Even if you, for example, if you live in Auckland and you want to go for a holiday in Taupo, you still have to obtain the other parent's consent before you can do that. So for health matters, these are non-routine issues. If your daughter falls off a horse and breaks her ankle, I know you don't want to talk to the other party, but it's as simple as sending them a quick text saying, Jane's fallen off the horse, she's going to Ormiston Hospital this afternoon, so you can let them know. And that's all you have to do. You just have to let them know. It's a quick text. Schools and issues about travelling overseas can be a bit trickier. It's best to put them in writing so that you've got some evidence to prove that you've abided by your obligations. I've had issues with parents saying, yes, you can take them overseas, and then they book airfares and then they say, no, you can't, and there's no proof to that. If you've got any questions, further questions, leave them in the comments below.